Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Difference between Mass Media and Mass Communication. Lecture 10. Let's discuss about this topic. Both mass media and mass communication are related concepts. They are related terms. They are very much near to each other. Many students think that they are the same. They are very much similar, but you should know that they are not exactly the same. There is a subtle difference between the two. And what are those differences? Let's try to understand the idea. The first point about mass media is mass media refers to the various platforms and technologies used to deliver information, whereas mass communication refers to the process of creating, sending, receiving, and analyzing messages to a large audience. We move on to the next point. Mass media focuses on the channels through which information is disseminated, spread, shared, whereas mass communication informs, educates, entertains, and influences public opinion. We continue our discussion. Mass media includes television, radio, newspapers, magazines, and the internet, whereas mass communication uses those tools in creating content for the audience to form opinions. We have some more ideas to share. Mass media, in fact, is a tool, an agency, and a carrier of information, but it is not the information in itself, whereas mass communication refers to the information, matter, and substance of message which is conveyed to audience. We continue our discussion about the difference between mass media and mass communication. Mass media is a delivery mechanism. It delivers the message. It is a way to reach to the audience, whereas mass communication is a receiving mechanism. It helps people receive something, gain something, acquire something in terms of the message. We have some more ideas. Mass media is physically visible. You can see the types of mass media in the forms of electronic and print media, whereas mass communication is invisible. It is to be comprehended, understood, and grasped. We have the last point in this direction. Mass media is an operational activity. It is like hardware. It is like a human body, whereas mass communication is a persuasive activity. Its message persuades you, convinces you, influences you. It has lasting impact upon the way you think and behave. In other words, it is like software. It is like a human mind, and we can try to understand the difference between mass media and mass communication in the following way. As I told, mass media is a tool, an agency, a carrier of information. And what are those? We can include television. Under mass media, we can include radio, newspapers, internet, magazines, social networks, and so on. We have a number of platforms. We have a number of tools, agencies through which we can communicate to the people. We can spread message. Whereas mass communication is all about the art of storytelling, the content, the message. And it may include a number of topics, a number of areas of human concerns, like we have so many types of information around us, entertainment, events, and so on. So in a very clear term, we can try to understand the difference between mass media and mass communication in the following. Hope you don't confuse between the two terms and get the point what I want to impress upon. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.